Students, I welcome you for the part 5th of our history lesson, Evolution of Mankind. Before this, we have discuss about various type of human species, which include Homo habilis, Erectus. Then we have discussed about Neanderthal. Then Homo sapiens. So today we'll be discussing the modern human beings. They are called as Homo sapiens sapiens. So you can see what is the difference between sapien, Homo sapien, and sapien. Sapien is the others, the species which was before modern man or before us was called as a Homo sapien, and the species that is right now or we all together can be called as Homo sapiens sapiens. So he is the modern man. Homo sapiens sapien is the modern man, and among all other human species, Homo sapiens sapien is the most intelligent. He is the most intelligent. And a speciality of Homo sapiens sapien is they use lot of technology and science. Homo sapiens sapien have invented so many things, right from the small gadgets to the large machines. Homo sapiens sapien has invented, and still he is inventing different things which make human life more comfortable. So we are using technology for everything. We have communication technology, we have vehicles to travel, then for daily uses, also daily works, we have different gadgets and that are useful for us. And this has changed our food habits and lifestyle also. Like if you have noticed, at the beginning Homo habilis was food. His food was different. Then again the next species, Erectus, Neanderthal, these people's food were different. Food items were different. And this Homo sapiens sapien, this man, is taking more in carbohydrate foods and fats foods. You have junk food, we can say. Okay, so this man Homo sapiens sapiens food include lot of junk food, and that is affecting to health of these human beings. They are turning fat, more fat. Okay, so the technology they are using and the lifestyle is more dependent on the machines, not getting the exercise, and even they are not getting exercise, not doing a physical work also, and using more and more technology also. The food is also affecting their health, and they are turning fat. Okay, so if you have observed the other species of human beings, they were very strong, healthy, because they have to run behind the animals, they have to chase the animals, they have to work hard to get the food. So this was making them fit. Even the food was also, whatever they were eating, that was also healthy for them, as it was not a junk food. And even they have a lot of physical activities like hunting the animals, catching the fishes. These things require a lot of physical works. So Homo sapiens sapien had a large brain, or they have large brain. Their hairs mainly on head, but also very thin layer of hair covering the rest of the body. Earlier the human had lot of hair on their bodies because it was the need of the time and the climate. And now we have variety of skin colors. In different parts of the world we have different type of skin color. You go to foreign countries or western country, peoples are more fair, and so there is a variety of skin color for Homo sapiens. Here are different colors, then eyes colors are different. They are walking completely upright, they can stand erect, and variety of heights you can see as Homo sapiens may have. So these are the what we are now, and we are becoming very advanced with the making tools for many uses, including wars. They made some very important tools like equipment for farming. Homo sapiens has made this invention in farming: gun, hammers, computers, swords, metal, nails, cars, boat, trains, planes, and many more extremely important equipments that shape our way of life. Okay, I have already discussed about this. So they are using a lot of gadgets, you can see here. So in your day-to-day life also we are using a lot of gadgets. Can you imagine a day without electricity? Can you imagine a day without a mobile phone? Can you imagine a day without vehicles? No, of course not. These are now our habitual actions. We are dependent so much on this technology because we are inventing new things, we are using, and we are addicted towards using technology. Day by day we are making our life more and more comfortable. Research is being done to make our life comfortable, and it is affecting our health. And the next point for our discussion is what is heredity. So heredity, I will explain. So heredity is what, like your relatives must be telling you looks very much similar to your father, or some may be looking similar to their mother or uncle or even grandparents. Why this is happening? This is called heredity. Heredity is what? Some physical characteristics or some features of our biological features are transferred to the next generation. It means, for example, there is possibility that if your father height is more, or the father is heighted person, so there are chances that the son will also be a heighted person. Or there may be similarity with the nose, there may be similarity with the height, there may be similarity with the face structure or the shape of the face, and this is called heredity. Heredity means similarity of biological features. Okay, so there are so many similarities with our parents, and that is included into heredity. And the science that study about this heredity is called genetics. Which science? Genetics. So same way our human ancestors, some of the physical characteristics or some same things are borrowed from the ancestors and they are taken by the next generation. Why this heredity has came here? Because we are talking about evolution of mankind. So there is a relation between each type of species, like Homo habilis has relation with Homo erectus. Some of the physical or some of the biological characters are same in the next generation. There is no complete change in the human body that is passing through genes of human body. So there will be some similarities, and that similarities are common all over the world. And some physical characteristics are changing, like nowadays people are becoming more and more fat, I told you. And the reason behind this is because we are using more and more technology, lot of machines, we are not getting exercise, we are not getting physical works. So it is affecting the health. The people are becoming fat, carbohydrate is more taken, fats are more taken, healthy food is not available, pesticides are used, pollution is found. So all these factors are responsible for unhealthy health or human beings, and that is going to affect the human health. And there is a possibility that in future also this type of heredity may be seen in the next generation, because their parents are getting, you must have seen that some parents whose parents are fat, there are chances that their even sons, daughters may become fat. And because this is happening through our genetics, this is happening through our heredity, this is happening because the food, this is happening because the lifestyle. Okay, so these things matters a lot in the health, and this is called as a heredity and genetics. I told you what is heredity, and the science that study about the heredity is called genetics. So we have discussed about almost every human species, from right to Homo habilis to Homo sapiens. And you must have come to know that each human species life was somewhat similar, sometime it was same, sometime it was very different. Like sometime their food was same, like Homo habilis and erectus, their food was quite same. But as the Homo neanderthal invented the fire, the food was changing. Again, when the agriculture was started, the food also changed because people started eating grain. So it means that there are certain changes that has happened in the human life. Technology was not found that time. Peoples were not settled that time. People have to travel from place to place. From one place to other place, they have to travel in search of food, in search of, we can say, water, in search of good climate for living. These all things have shaped the human life, and it has made human beings more stronger and intelligent. And the brain was also developing. Each species was improving the brain. So there was growth in the brain, there was growth in the comfortable life. And this has added us a better life and a comfortable life. Okay, so these are the all important points of our discussion. So you keep watching the videos until you don't understand the concepts. So you watch the videos again and again, take the youth and read the textbook again. So don't depend on the videos only. So keep reading textbooks. If you find any difficulties in the textbooks, or if you don't know the meaning of any words, use dictionary, use more or watch the more videos other than these videos. So keep learning, keep acquiring the knowledge in the field, so that will be beneficial to you. And along with this, take care and have a nice day.